Let me tell you the secret. How can you change yourself? Take action. Start taking small actions from today. Focus on improving yourself because Jim Rohn Saab once said, your income is directly proportional to your personal development. Your income cannot beat your personal development. Learn to go into the deep of the things. Don't just remain at the surface. Go into the deep. Do more research. Learn to think. If you don't think, you will not grow much in your life because people who think can change the world. Read more, and read every day because every great leader is a reader. Focus on developing your mental muscles. Your focus is in 100 directions. Make it to one direction. Leave other 99 directions and make it to just one direction. Be grateful for everything you have. Don't complain because complainers don't win in the life. They are losers. Don't be a loser in your life. Become a winner by practicing patience, hard work and consistency. Become a winner by practicing patience, hard work and consistency. This universe is ready to give you everything. But are you ready to receive it? Universe Lord say that you must deserve it. Don't wait, don't hope. Just go and work and you deserve the best in your life. Let me tell you, the best investment is investing in yourself. It is not investing in the stocks. It is not investing in mutual fund or anything else. The best investment you can ever make is investing in yourself. Make your best year by investing in yourself.